Hello everyone. As a paid subscriber, I'm going to show you how to access our archives. First, you must go to www.cnybj.com. Next, you find the link that says sign in and click on it. Go all the way to the bottom where the account login section is. Put in your email address and password. If you forget your password, you can always click the forget your password link. But next, click login. From there, you go to the tab that says News, click the drop down, and go to Archives. Click on it. Then you can see any of the archives back until 2012. We'll do an example of September of 2017. And these are all the articles you'll see from September of 2017. And you can scroll down. But there's also another way to find a specific archive that you're looking for. So for example, you go to the search menu, and for this example I'm going to do CH Insurance. You press enter, then you see all the display results for CH Insurance. So you have CH Insurance acquires Hanley and Associates, and you can scroll down and see all the articles we've had with CH Insurance. And you could do that with any company or any topic that you're looking for. And that's how you find our archives. Thank you so much and look forward to the next tutorial.